Hello, hola, welcome back to my channel, Evie English. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. I put out videos weekly for ESL and FL students all around the world. So if this is something that you are interested in, please smash the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at the days of the week.
Vamos a mirar los días de la semana. So the first day of the week is Monday. Monday es lunes. My worst day of the week is Monday. Mi peor día de la semana es lunes. Monday. Como ves, ponemos estrés en la primera palabra. Monday. Monday. The second day of the week is Tuesday. Tuesday. También tenemos estrés en la primera posición. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Martes es la segunda día de la semana. So Tuesday es martes. Tuesday. The third day of the week is Wednesday. Wednesday, no Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday es miércoles. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Miércoles es la tercer día de la semana. The fourth day of the week is Thursday. Thursday. También tenemos estrés en la primera palabra. Thursday es jueves. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. The fifth and the last day of the weekday is Friday. Friday. Ponemos también estrés en la primera letra. Friday. Friday is the last day of the week. Viernes es la última día de la semana. Now let's go to the weekend. Saturday or Saturday. Saturday or Saturday. It depends on what accent you want to use. Do you want to use an American accent or a British accent? So an American accent will be Saturday, Saturday, and a British accent will be Saturday, Saturday. So there's this schwa sound here, and we have estrés también en la primera letra. So Saturday, Saturday es sábado. Saturday is my best day of the week. Sunday. Sunday es domingo. Many people go to church on Sunday. Sunday. Domingo. Mucha gente va a la iglesia los domingos. So I just want to show the difference here between weekday and weekend because lots of students most of the time get confused with how to differentiate, how to explain the difference between weekdays and weekend. So weekdays, que es entre semana o días laborales, weekdays are Monday to Friday. Son los lunes hasta el viernes. Esos son weekdays. And weekend tenemos estrés en weekend es fin de semana, fin de la semana. Entonces, weekends are usually fun. So, weekends, fin de semana, son sábado y domingo.
So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you got some value from this. Please, if you did, like, feel free to make comments and do subscribe to the channel. There are also some free PDFs below, in the links below, if you're interested. If you would like to do a follow-up of this lesson and also previous lessons that we have done, just click on some of the links below and you get a free PDF of what we have done. Hasta la próxima.